For water heater repairs in Santa Cruz, California 95060, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option. We, at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, has years of experience in the plumbing field, provides thorough services for all kinds of water heaters, including both contemporary tankless systems and conventional tank models. Are you looking for water heater repairs near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is the purpose of water heater repairs? The goal of water heater repairs is to make sure your unit runs effectively and dependably so that your home or place of business has the hot water you require for everyday chores like cleaning, dishwashing, and showering. We at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment are aware of how essential a functional water heater is to your convenience and comfort. What is the most common problem with the water heater? The most common problems we deal with water heaters at Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Santa Cruz, CA, are uneven heating or a lack of hot water. Some potential reasons of these problems include a malfunctioning thermostat, a faulty heating element, or silt buildup in the tank. Tankless water heaters may also have problems with the heat exchanger or clogged pipes. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/